Look at your life right now. Be honest. Are you proud of the man you are becoming, or are you quietly disappointed and hoping time will fix what you avoid? You wake up tired even after sleeping. Your phone is the first thing you touch. Hours disappear. You promise yourself you will change tomorrow, next week, next year. Discipline feels heavy. Focus feels rare. Motivation comes and goes. Deep down, you feel stuck. Not broken, just stuck. You know you are capable of more, yet your days look the same. This feeling is not laziness. It is exhaustion of direction. You are not alone in this state. Many men between 18 and 40 live in silent frustration. Routines are broken. Goals feel blurry. Confidence fades slowly. You feel behind in life, behind your peers, behind your own potential. Years feel wasted, not because nothing happened, but because nothing meaningful changed. You keep moving, but not forward. This video is not here to hype you up. It will not shout at you. It will not promise instant transformation. What it will do is show you how to reset your life in a calm, grounded, realistic way using Japanese techniques built on discipline, clarity, and quiet strength. If you apply even a few of these ideas, 2026 will not just be another year. It will be the year your life starts moving in a new direction. Stay with me, because one of these techniques will change how you see your time forever. In Japan, change is not loud. It is not dramatic. It is slow, intentional, and permanent. The first technique is called kaizen. Kaizen means small improvement, done daily. Not big goals, not massive plans. Just one small improvement every day. Psychologically, this works because your brain resists big change. Big goals trigger fear and avoidance. Small actions feel safe. They feel doable. When you improve by 1% each day, your identity shifts without stress. Discipline grows quietly. In Japanese culture, mastery is respected more than speed. Craftsmen repeat the same task for decades, refining tiny details. Stoic thinking aligns with this. You control what you do today, not the outcome years from now. To apply kaizen in daily life, choose one area you feel disappointed in: your health, your work, your focus. Then choose one action so small it feels almost stupid. 5 push-ups, 10 minutes of reading, cleaning one drawer. Do it every day in 2026. Do not increase it until it feels automatic. This is how discipline is rebuilt. Not with force, but with consistency. The second technique is ikigai. Ikigai means reason for being. Many people misunderstand it as passion. It is not. Ikigai sits at the center of what you are good at, what you can offer, and what gives meaning. You feel mentally tired because your days have no clear reason. You wake up reacting instead of choosing. Psychologically, humans need meaning more than pleasure. Without meaning, motivation collapses. Japanese life emphasizes purpose through contribution. Even elderly people work small jobs to stay useful. Stoic mindset teaches the same idea. You are fulfilled when you live according to purpose, not comfort. To apply ikigai, stop asking what you love. Ask what problem you can solve. Ask where your skills meet usefulness. In 2026, write down one role you want to grow into. Not a dream job, a role. A reliable man, a disciplined learner, a skilled professional. Then design your days around that role. Purpose gives structure. Structure restores energy. The third technique is shoshin. It means beginner's mind. It is the ability to approach life without ego, without assumptions. Right now, you feel stuck because you believe you already know yourself. You think you know your limits. You think you know what will not work. This closes your mind. Psychologically fixed identity creates stagnation. Beginner's mind keeps curiosity alive. It removes pressure to perform and allows learning. In Japanese martial arts, even masters train with beginner's mind. Stoic Stoic philosophy also warns against arrogance of certainty. To apply Shoshin, choose one area where you feel ashamed of starting again. Fitness, learning, career, drop the ego. Start as a student, accept slow progress. In 2026, allow yourself to be new again. Growth begins when pride ends. The fourth technique is Kanso. It means simplicity. Most men feel overwhelmed because their lives are cluttered. Too many apps, too many goals, too many inputs. Psychologically, clutter drains mental energy. Decision fatigue kills discipline. Simplicity restores clarity. Japanese aesthetics remove excess. Stoic thinkers believed desire for more creates suffering. To apply Kanso, remove before you add. In the first month of 2026, simplify your life. Uninstall distracting apps. Reduce your goals to 3 priorities. Clean your environment. Your mind follows your space. The fifth technique is Seri. It means sorting, deciding what stays and what goes. You carry habits, relationships, and routines that no longer serve you. You keep them because they feel familiar. Psychologically, humans fear loss more than they value gain. This keeps you stuck. In Japanese organization philosophy, everything has a place or it is removed. Stoicism teaches voluntary discomfort to regain control. To apply Sari, audit your life. What drains you? What distracts you? What wastes time? Remove one thing each week in 2026. This creates space for growth. The sixth technique is Shinrin Yoku, forest bathing. It is the practice of spending quiet time in nature. Mental fatigue is not solved by scrolling. Your nervous system needs calm. Nature resets the brain. Psychologically, natural environments reduce stress hormones and improve focus. Japanese culture treats nature as medicine. Stoics believed harmony with nature brings clarity. To apply Shinrin Yoku, schedule weekly time without devices. Walk, sit, breathe. Let silence work on you. This is not escape. It is recovery. The seventh technique is Gaiman, endurance with dignity. Life feels hard because you expect ease. When reality pushes back, you feel frustrated. Psychologically, accepting discomfort builds resilience. Resistance increases suffering. In Japanese culture, Gaiman is quiet strength. Stoicism teaches acceptance of hardship without complaint. To apply Gaiman, stop negotiating with discomfort. Cold showers, hard conversations, boring routines. Do them without drama. This builds inner strength. Now pause for a second. Imagine yourself at the end of 2026. Same habits, same excuses, same regrets. Now imagine a version of you who applied these techniques daily. Not perfect, just consistent. Which man do you want to become? This moment matters because time will pass anyway. 2026 will arrive whether you change or not. The difference is what kind of man you meet at the end of it. The final technique is Zanshin. It's continuous awareness. Presence. Most men live on autopilot. Zanshin trains you to stay aware of your actions and choices. Psychologically, awareness interrupts bad habits. It creates choice. Japanese warriors practiced Zanshin to remain alert even after action. Stoics practiced daily reflection. To apply Zanshin, end each day with one question. Did my actions today match the man I want to become in 2026? No judgment, just awareness. This is how life resets. Quietly, daily, intentionally. You do not need motivation. You need direction. You do not need a new personality. You need better systems. 2026 is not a fresh start because the calendar changed. It is a fresh start if you decide to live differently. Choose one technique from this video. Apply it today. Let action speak. Your future self is watching. Do not ignore him.